your playgroup teacher. Okay, today we will learn about phonics. It's letter sound G. It's letter sound G. This is the story of letter sound G. Granny's sink is blocked and full of water. She calls the plumber and asks him to fix it. He unlocks the sink and the water drains away. As it goes, it makes a gargling sound. G, 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 g. Okay, now I will show you how to say this letter sound. It's letter sound G. Can you follow after me? It's letter sound G. This is letter sound G. And this one, how you write letter sound G. Letter sound G. And how you write letter sound G. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you the action of letter sound G. First, what you need to do is put your hands like this and make a circle like this. Pretend that your hand is gurgling inside the water and you say G, G, G. Can you do it? G, G, G. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's refine the things that start with letter sound G. First, I have glass, and then gold, grapes, and the last one, goat. Glass, gold, grapes, and goat. Okay, now let's listen to the song of letter sound G. Let's go music. Okay, one more time. The water's goes down the drain. The water's goes down the drain. The water goes down the drain. Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's redo this worksheet. Letter sound G. Trace these letters below. Okay, this is how you write letter sound G. First, let's make a circle and then make a long line from top and make a curved line. Circle, long line from top and curved line. Okay, then now let's make it by ourselves. You can make it by yourself, okay? I will make it here. Circle, straight line, and make a curved line. You can ask your mom or your dad if you have problem to hold the pencil. Done. Okay, Rainbow Kids, that's all about letter sound G. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.